Hey friends! Maayong buntag ninyong tanan! Yeah! And welcome to the vlog! So today is Saturday na guys, August 25, and it's my brother's birthday. And tomorrow, fiesta din ng ng place namin. Not exactly our place, but malapit sa amin. And it's going to be a busy day tomorrow. And here's Awi! Mommy! Mommy, you did not finish your foodie. So, lately, I don't know, when was the last time that I vlog, guys? I did not have the chance na mag-vlog kasi I was busy. The whole day I was doing hair. Yon, so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog because I was in a hurry. And today lang kasi hapon lang yung client ko. Today. Ayan. So, nagpa-ride man na ako si Awi. Uy, nagpa-ride na ako si Awi, guys. Oh, sitting with me. Ayan. Pikachu, look at Awi. Na-amaze si Awi sa face niya. Yun. So, ihahatid namin si Ate Sashi sa school kasi may practice siya ng majorette. Still maaga pa. It's not yet 10. But my client today is still 2. But since ihatid namin si Ate sa school, kaya maaga na lang kami pupunta doon. And also, I will be preparing some things para I'm gonna be testing hair colors kasi magko-color kami ng hair today. Yan. But simple lang naman yung hair color ng client ko today, guys. She just wanted a reddish brown or more of a chestnut. Yan, chestnut kasi burgundy is more on reddish violet, but I think she doesn't want the reddish violet kasi pinakita ko siya ng samples nun, but I think she wanted more of a chestnut, yung reddish talaga na round. So I'm just waiting for them. Yan, nakabukas na yung nuksan ko na yung gate and I'm just waiting for Rookie. And Sashi is already ready. Oh, mommy wants to be with me. So yan guys, I'm gonna see you later na lang kasi aalis na kami. Bye! Hey friends! Good morning! And welcome to the vlog. So today, wow, you can see me so clearly. So ganyan na lang. So, yung last na vlog ko was Saturday. Yeah, August 25. And I wasn't able to finish that vlog kasi guys, I was so busy. Yeah, and I was so tired already. I was doing hair color on a client and it was a hair color correction, not with exactly hair color correction, but it was a long process because we did treatments on her, yeah, because her hair is pre-rebonded and she wanted to have a color, so I need to do an extra step extra step na naman para ma-hair color ko yung hair niya para we still keep the integrity of the hair. Yun yung pinaka-importante doon, guys. So yun, I wasn't able na to film because nung pagdating namin, grabe, I'm so tired and gusto ko pa ngang mag-watch ng YouTube video pero hindi na kaya ng power. I think nakatulog ako by mga 9, yeah, or 10, or I don't know, maybe, yeah, or 10, mga ganyan. Kasi after I finish editing my vlog for today, which is Monday na pala guys, it's August 27. It's so crazy. Grabe, August 27 na. Malapit nang matapos yung August. Yan. So today, I am still at the salon kasi I have a hair client today, 2 hair client, hair rebond. Yan. So today is going to be a busy day and it's still pretty early. My first appointment is 9 a.m. and while I'm waiting for my client, I will be drinking coffee, of course. Ito yung kasi walang mainit na tubig dito, pero meron namang yung electric na basta heater ng water sila siya din kasi if you haven't know yet, yung sister ko, sila Sharon, nakarat na sila dito sa taas ng salon ko. Yan. So, I know she went to work already, but today is holiday, August 27. I don't know, I forgot why is today holiday. Yan. Kaya busy ako today. Ang dami ngang ang dami ngang gustong magpa-appointment today, but for now, I'm only accepting 2 clients each day kasi I don't wanna get super stressed, or although I'm not stressed, but ayoko lang yung mapagod kasi it's not healthy for me. Yan. So I'm taking 2 clients a day, and eto din yung breakfast natin, yung banana bread from San Jose Bake Shop. May shoutout tayo San Jose Bake Shop. So binili ito ni Mother. So yan guys, I will just be eating this one as my breakfast. Kasi nga, pero kumain na ako ng ng saging, yung piniritong saging ni Mother. But I need energy to do hair rebonding, kaya I need to eat this. And my coffee, of course. So hopefully I'm gonna see you later guys. Yeah, hopefully. Panic.